Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this Nissan GT-R in for a Stage 1 ECU remap, exhaust upgrade and some wheel alignment. Before we jump into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, then you won't miss when our new videos go live. So upgrading the exhaust system, ECU remap and wheel alignment on this car. This particular customer came into us initially for some diagnostics, had a faulty exhaust valve and getting a replacement exhaust valve was quite expensive. So offered him obviously the like an exhaust upgrade as an alternative, and alongside that he chose to go for the ECU remap at the same time as well. So he's gone for the primary catback system on this car. So from the basically the downpipes back, removing like one of the most restrictive parts of the exhaust system, like the wide pipe, and replacing it with like a Milltek high flow exhaust system with some much nicer looking tips at the rear as well. So I'm also going to be installing custom ECU software, so that'll be optimised on our rolling road as well for this particular car, and obviously the upgrades that it has, and then doing the wheel alignment on it as well. So I'm going to do some before and after exhaust sounds. I'm going to get on the car on the dyno and compare the graphs before and after right at the end. So the next thing to do is get the car on the dyno, get the exhaust fitted, start up the calibration, do the wheel alignment, and we'll see at the end of the video to compare the graphs. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.